All right. What's up, fam? How we doing? How are we doing this evening? Let me put it in Discord here. We are live. Put it on the Twitter sphere as well. There we go. Bang, bang. What's up? All right. Hold on. I got to switch over to gold here. GC. All right. Gold getting a nice little push ski. Nice little push. Trading 309s. Got a little bit of resistance up here at the 11s, the 12s. Interesting move up here. G-Man, what up? Golfer, what up? Anthony, what up? Been long from 3304. Holy moly. Get the bag. Went to the store earlier. My wife and I bought corn on the cob holders. I'm officially old and domesticated. Yeah, that's correct. That is correct. You are old and domesticated. Good luck to you. Good luck to you, brother. Wait, hold on. We got to do... Hold on, chat. Wait a minute. Gotta do a little Instagram story. Or it never happened. Instagram story or I was never live, chat. It's never official unless it's on the story. You know what I mean? So hold on. We are back live trading gold. You can see it there. Got the stream. Oh, no, that's trash, chat. Hold on. That's trash. Let's do it again. Run it back. We are live trading gold. We got the charts. We got the YouTube stream. We got the Discord. We got some more charts. We got everything to make money. And we're doing it all this evening. Live, baby. Boom. Chat, am I too much? All right, put it on the stories. Brother, dude, why do I like them so much? Dude, I mean, hey, listen. Do you, brother? Do you? I mean, if you're eating corn on the cob, I mean, I guess you need them. You know what I mean? You need them. Also, chat, if my camera seems dark, it's because I don't want to be blinded tonight. All right? I have my light turned down. I have a little light, but I have it turned down because I didn't want to be blinded. I don't want to be blinded. Why is this taking forever to upload to my story? Chat, how do we do today? Are we all green? Everybody green today? Nice and green? We are ending nicely green over here today. We only took one trade on the On the funded accounts, nice and green, a little one and doneer type thing. And then on the evaluation accounts, we took a couple. We massively green on those as well. Can't complain. Anthony just saw your post in Discord with the corn on the cob holders looking real good, real crisp. PD drilled 4 more new oil wells with no debt, with plenty of cash, with low PE of 3, with upgrades to $1.50 to $2.25 to close at 65. Can double from here. There you have it, folks. Michael Anthony coming in with the signal drop in the YouTube comments. Holy. Chat, Nasdaq, I know I'm trading gold, but Nasdaq looked like it's trying to roll over here. Kind of watching both. But gold just moving and grooving to the upside. Probably why Nasdaq is falling. Moving and grooving. Stay flat. Let's get those orders at 312 and 315. How many orders we got there, G-Man? I need the link, bro. Hold on, where's that link at? I need to go grab it. You DM'd it to me, right? Yeah, okay. Visits. All right. Oh, wait, this was streamed 8 days ago. Hold on. Is there a new one? Wait, this one's only showing in Q and ES. Where's the gold one, G-Man? Oh, wait, you sent it. Okay, hang on. Is this it? Is this the one? Gold, there it is. Okay. I need to get the gold level 2 data so I can just like actually watch it. Holy, 36 orders up at 315 for gold. We are looking higher. 315. Alex Lunde. Hopefully I said that last name right. Lunde? Lunde? Lunde Hyundai? What up, Alex? Chat, I'm like, not gonna lie, I just went to the gym, bro, and honestly, I'm feeling kind of freaking jacked right now. I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. No doubt about it. I'm gonna be sore. Gonna be very sore. We did what did I do today in the gym? Chest and tries. Chest and triceps. We're gonna be sore. No doubt about it. Lunde Hyundai is diabolical. I don't know. Just don't, bro. Whatever comes out of my mouth tonight, bro, don't mind it. There's no telling what I'm gonna say. I might say some serious off the wall stuff. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. It's climbing the same pace of the New York session. Yeah, it is. Real slow. Real slow. Until about 8 o'clock Central Time when everything gets volatile. Mike Trades in the building. What's up, Mike? How we doing? How we doing? If you guys have not already, do me a favor and smash the like button with some serious aggression. Take the thumbs, right? Take the thumbs and have a thumb war with the like button. Let me know who wins. Davina. Hello. Hello, hello. G-Man with a Hulk smash on the like button. All right, so we need to find some longs in gold, I guess, because if we're gonna just slow grind up, we need to find some longs, chat. We gotta find some longs. Like button is the first thing you do. Well, that like button really appreciates you more than you know. Holy. RTY, nah, gold. GC. Key to profitability, really? Yeah, I mean, 100%. The key to being profitable in trading and in these markets is, in fact, hitting the like button. You don't hit the like button, I can't guarantee profitability, chat. Hatim Naji. Hatim Naji. Did I say that right, chat? Patience, it's in a major level. It might roll down. Hatim, did I say your name right? Hopefully I did. Chat, I apologize, bro. I cannot, like I say, I might say some off-the-wall things tonight. Sean King got Chicago in the building, just hit the like button, and I won. What'd you win? Oh, yeah, you had the thumb war. You had the thumb war with the like button. Love it. Love it. I did, chat. Just for the record, I just said his name right on the very first try. The very first try, I said his name right. I want you all to take notes. Gold. All right. What we got? Let's look at some levels here. Get rid of these levels. Can get rid of all these colors. I don't need those right now. My chart looking like freaking Skittles. Feeling like we're tasting the rainbow. All right. Let's get the rectangle tool. Let's mark out some levels real quick. Already, I'll have some IB levels to look at that we're breaking out of. Looking at a consolidation range here. Interesting level there. Do we make it up there during stream? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see though. Self-destructive specialist. He says everybody go short gold. Short gold. Was the giveaway tomorrow? Which giveaway are you referring to? Because we've had a few of them going on. So it depends on which giveaway you're referring to. Mach 87 with the subscription. Welcome to the fam, bro. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Luna in the building. Gold time, that is correct. Mario, sup? Mario. It's me, Mario. Holy, I'm about to go play some Mario after stream, chat. Y'all have no idea. Veronica, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. CST is the initial balance time frame for gold. Is it too late for the Take Profit Trader giveaway? What are we talking about? Y'all throwing all these giveaways at me. Just ain't right. What up? Funny enough, my cousin's name is Luis and his nickname is Luigi. Holy. Hold on. You gotta remind me what we've had, like I think it was 150K or something from Tradeify. No, I did take profit. I haven't done any Tradeify giveaways. So last week we were gonna do a giveaway on Tuesday, or we ended up doing it on that stream. We ended up changing the whole trajectory of the stream because we had so many people wanting to do giveaways, and we ended up doing it on that stream. But I do have a giveaway going on right now. If you go over to my Twitter, over on the Twit sphere, the FinTwit, you can scroll down and you can go to, where is it at? I've posted so freaking much, chat. Holy. Okay, there we go. Here, you can retweet this. Follow the Instagram. That's the most important part. Follow the Instagram and then tag 3 traders, and that will enter you for a free Take Profit account. That is the other account giveaway we have going on currently right now. Oh, Anthony, that giveaway is still going on. That one's still going. That one's going to be announced at the end of the month. So we've had like 3 giveaways. The one where you use code JM, which technically we still have 2 of them going on right now, to get 150K and a 50K Take Profit. The 150K is if you use code JM at Take Profit and screenshot me, you using code JM, that enters you for the giveaway to get the 150K Take Profit account. You can use that as, you do as many entries as you want, and that'll give you all the entries. The second giveaway is the one going on Twitter right now. But for the 150K Take Profit, where you use code JM and screenshot that to me, you have to be in Discord. That's a Discord exclusive giveaway. Link in the description. Can I see you proof for that one? I just did a yes. DM me. DM me in the core. Look at gold just moving and grooving. Moving and grooving, chat. Cassini, okay, yeah, you just named me. You got it, Anthony. You got it. How many contracts do you trade for gold usually? Depends on how frisky I'm feeling. Truthfully. I could be just in a frisky mood and I want to just throw on a couple minis or 1 mini. In my personal account, I'm definitely trading micros. In the prop firm accounts, I might trade a mini or so on gold. Joyce Fernandez. What up? Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Nicole, are the red X's for liquidity? The red X's are what we call failed auctions on the initial balance. That's just for gold. I usually don't look at these too much for gold. However, they, I mean, they can be, still use it. I just have it on my charts just as a reference point, but these are just indicating how many times we broke above the IB high, which is this, and close back below it. Which if y'all saw this failed auction on gold, holy moly, and then saw this failed auction on gold, holy moly. Fell here all the way down, fell here all the way up, fell there all the way down, chat. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Absolutely beautiful. I don't really trade gold in the New York session, though. I usually trade it at this time, like 7 to like 8:30. 8 o'clock Central Time is where like you get a little bit of volatility with gold. So hopefully, once we hit 8 o'clock Central Time, we get some movement. May get it before then though. Gold up in the 310s. We do have a lot of orders. Let's see, hold on. Do we still have orders set up there? Let's take a look. We still have a lot of orders sitting up at 315 for gold. Something to watch for. There is a lot of orders up here. Something to keep an eye on. Whether we can break out of this little resistance area, a little bit of consolidation zone, and get up to the 315s, we'll see. Right now, still kind of struggling to get out of there. Looking like she wants to try to roll over in bed. We'll see, though. Again, if you are just coming in here, I mentioned earlier to have a thumb war with the like button. If you have not already smashed that like button, have a thumb war with it. Let me know who won. It is a free thing to do. Davina, longs or short orders, please. Right now I'm flat. But I mean, obviously we're pretty bullish on longs right now. We're pretty bullish on gold because we are getting a move up. However, we are rolling a bit, so we may look for a pullback to get in long off of. We're just kind of waiting to see that we still got a little bit of time before we get some volatility moving in on gold. So we're gonna be patient and wait, see what we can get. The button beat you down, bro. I don't know what to tell you. You went and got corn on the cob holders, then got your ass beat by the like button. I really don't know what to tell you, dog. It's a rough night. Michael Anthony back in the chat giving signals. That is the same exact comment as before. I have no idea what he's talking about. Chat. Is that a bot? Chat, help me out here. Of course, Davina. Davina. I feel like that's the only way I could just to say your name. Davina. I would have to say it like really emphasize that Davina. Davina. I have to really emphasize it just to get the point across, you know? Holy. Still moving and grooving to the upside, chat. I think she wants the orders at 315. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Also, we have 22 likes on the stream with 61 people in here. Chat, that's unacceptable. That is unacceptable, chat. We need at least 40. I don't even trade, bro. I know you don't. Gold still moving to the upside. I am waiting for a little bit of a pullback to see if we can get a good long entry off a nice little level, maybe a little retest down in the 7s, but I don't know, it might be a little bit deep. We'll see. We'll see what gold gives us. Right now, no trades. She's just kind of slow grinding itself up. Anybody got any tips on proper washer toss techniques? Bro, what? Proper washer toss. Proper washer toss techniques. Chat, help him out. I have no idea. Yo, gold is really slow at the moment. Oh, what just happened? Maybe switch over to NQ real quick while we wait on gold to wake up and stop being lazy. It's like a backyard game. Washer toss? Wait, it's an actual game? Bro, I'm concerned for your safety, bro. You go buy corn on the cob holders, you get beat up by the like button. Now you're talking about a backyard game called washer toss. Like, bro, are you a bot? Like, are you fake? I'm actually concerned for you. Now it's trying to get a little buy up here, possibly send it up higher. Could be why we're seeing gold maybe slow down a little bit. No, gold's still trying to move higher. You young guys don't know danger like it's like us old heads. We had lawn darts. Lawn darts. Stick to cornhole. Yo, I'm down for some cornhole. I love me some cornhole, bro. I'm a professional, chat, if you didn't know. I am a professional at cornhole. What were lawn darts? Hold on. Chat, I need to know. I feel like I got FOMO right now. What's lawn darts? Help me out here. What am I missing? Do I need to go to like the store and buy something? Like what are we talking about? They are banned now? Wait, lawn darts is banned? What lawn darts do? What is lawn darts? Somebody got to show me something. All right, we got to look it up. Chat, you're leaving me in the dark here. I don't appreciate it. Lawn darts. Oh, I see. Chat, is this what we're talking about? Is this what it is? Lawn darts? You have a ring and you try to throw the darts in the ring? Look at gold. G-Man's making $1 million on gold right now. G-Man, can I borrow $1? Actually, don't know, bro. Listen, I don't know what you nerds did growing up. I was on baseball fields, okay? That's what I know. Sports. Y'all a bunch of nerds. I don't know what y'all did growing up. My chat full of a bunch of nerds, bro. Those darts are front weighted, so they come in like flying pikes, and so that's probably why they're banned, because people are probably getting stabbed in the freaking pinky toe. That's what happened. The pinky toes were getting ripped off by lawn darts. All right, this little piggy went to the market, and that little piggy got fucked up by a lawn dart. That's what happened. Holy, look at gold, bro. All you did was play sports? Okay, I believe you. I believe you. G-Man, how you feeling in this long, dude? Kids were running in between a lawn dart game and getting stabbed by the darts. Some took darts. Oh, no bueno. No bueno. All right, those orders got taken on gold. Now that they got taken, chat, I'm about to fade G-Man. Bro, about to make me drop a highlight tape. Drop a highlight tape, bro. I need to see it. I need to see it or it didn't happen. Oh, wait, we still haven't taken those orders, have we? No, we haven't taken those orders. We haven't got 315 yet. Yeah, I need to see 315 get taken. Then we take the short. Then we take the short, chat. We take the short on gold when it takes 315. Then we'll look for a short. Ox Anthony really dropped me a highlight video, chat. We're about to play it on stream. Chat, we're about to play a highlight video on stream. See how good Anthony is. Hold on, we're watching to see gold take 315. Once it does, we're gonna look for a short opportunity. And then we're gonna watch Anthony's little highlight video. Anthony, why no NFL, bro? Gold still moving and grooving, trying to get to those 315s. Meanwhile, G-Man's making a milli on this gold long. G-Man, if you're not in like 3 minis right now, bro, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Five micros. $304 entry. So what, you're up like 500? Close to 500? 500-ish? Oh, 430. Okay, yeah, so 430. Nice. Nice. Car died today, and now my next freaking payout is going towards buying a stupid used car. Depending on how much the payout is, you can go buy you a new one. But I don't know how much payout's going to be. Chat, there was somebody here telling us to short gold. Where's he at? Hold on. Who told us to short gold? I mean, I'm going to do it. Once the orders take out 315. Manu says we're going to hit 3326. Let's take a look at level 2 here. Holy, we got more orders up at 320, chat. 41 up at 320s. And there's those orders. Not big with top one, 3,500, but is about 4,900 for you. Nice. Okay. Nice. Boston's in the chat. Night shift, gang. What up, Boston? Hit daily target on TFD. Let's go. Bro, I'm also on your side, but wait for confirmation. Yeah, we're chilling. We're waiting. I do want to take a short. I know gold is moving and grooving to the upside, but chat, I want to take a short. Chat, if you didn't know, I also made a YouTube video, posted it a little bit ago, going over Apex's wonderful email about banning everybody from getting evaluations and sending them to live funded accounts. We'll see if they do send you live. I don't know if any of you guys got that email, but they are sending people live. We'll see. We've seen this come out before, and I don't have any confirmation of any live traders, so we'll see. Don't fade you yet. No, I'm not fading you yet. I'm smart, chat. I mean, I'm gonna wait. I'm not just gonna YOLO a short. Like, I'm gonna wait. I want to see nice, clear rejection, get a little confirmation, and then go short. Corey, the phone trader. I'm going short. 2, it's hitting a major trend line. Corey, the phone trader, short 2. Your friend got one of those emails? It's going to be interesting to see if they do take anybody live. Does it happen? I don't know. I don't know. Chat, we're sitting at 33 likes with 62 in here. I need about 40 likes on the stream, so 7 more likes we need to get to. Or you're all fired and not profitable. Let's get it together. You'll let me know if he gets taken live. Yes, please do. In fact, if he does get taken live, let's get him on the channel. Let's get him to talk about the experience. How about that? Get a live trader with Apex on the channel. Hopefully they do take him live though. Speaking of, we are running a poll on Twitter. Do you guys think we are going to see more live traders at Apex? So far, 24 votes, 66% of people saying no. Let's go cast your vote on the Twitter sphere. About 18 more minutes, we should see some pretty good volatility in gold. Hopefully, we should. I'm not going to jinx it, but we should. Might get out of the trade before that time. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Gold possibly trying to catch a little bit of a pullback ski. Again, we did take the... Did we take 315, chat? Hold on. We have not taken 315. So those orders are still sitting at 315 and up at 320 on gold. Waiting for some nice confirmation to take a short. I don't really want to long up here. I don't feel good longing up here. So we're waiting for some signal, some sign. Chat, I need a sign. Give me a sign for shorts. Give me something. Give me something. Newest to gold is it GCM? Micro gold is MGC, right? MGC? Yeah. MGC is micro gold. Minis for gold is just GC. Oh, on TradeOvate? Yes. It should be GCM25, chat. Am I right on that on TradeOvate? I don't know. I'm not looking at TradeOvate. I think it's GCM25 or something. Somebody can confirm with you. But yeah, it should be GCM. Chat, are we going to go clap those 315 orders? Or not? Clap or not? Bull flag on gold. Then G-Man says, then we reverse long dim GC from 3306. I like to see more of a retracement. Abrams with the long from 3306 ballin'. Absolutely ballin'. Getting all the cheddar. I really want to see these orders get taken, chat. I really want to see it happen. We got about 13 minutes until possible volatility. We'll see. Doesn't always know, but we'll see. G-Man is up $500,000 in his gold trade. And he said he's going to donate it to everybody in the chat. He's going to split it all between everybody. Free accounts, G-Man says. Free accounts. Chat, G-Man's giving all of you free accounts. Good luck. Holy. I'd rather have a McFlurry if that's cool. Bro, Anthony. Oh, wait, chat. We were supposed to, since we're not grabbing those orders. Hold on. Let's look at Anthony's little highlight reel. He's got Anthony, professional football player. Highlight reel. Hold on. Look at Anthony go. Look at Anthony go. Outrunning all the kids. Look at him. Look at him. Holy. Wait a minute. Wait a minute with the assist. Hold on. Hold on, chat. Look at him. He's a little speed demon. Anthony's a little speed demon, chat. God dang, 3 minutes. Anthony, bro. I ain't got time for 3 minutes, dog. All right, here we go. Here we go. Look at the beautiful kick. It is football, G-Man. It is football. Auto Insights saying where to get them. G-Man, tell Auto Insights where to get the free accounts from you. Look at this pullback on gold, chat. We never claimed those orders yet. And there's the retracement. All right, so there's our confirmation that we kind of wanted to hop in on retracing this whole candle here. We'll see if we can hop in on find a good short location to get in on. I do want some shorts. I do want some shorts, chatty chat. Joey, can you award me a free account, please? Guys, what do you guys think I am, bro? Everybody's always asking me for free accounts. G-Man's the one giving out free accounts. Not me. Otto, we are running some giveaways. Participate in the giveaways. There's one on Twitter. There's one in Discord. Participate in those. That's the best thing to do. Well, chat, we missed the shorts because it just happened so freaking fast. And we didn't claim the orders like we wanted it to. Hi. I wanted the short, and everybody in the chat was like, no, wait, we got to go to 315. Wait, just wait. Wait for confirmation. And that happens. I blame you guys. I blame everyone in the chat. Every single one of you. You're all blamed. I blame every single one of you. See if we can get a retracement back up here. Take the short on. Like this. Beautiful. Beautiful little retracement there. Chat, we'll take the short off that retracement. We'll just hop in. Stop loss at the top of... Wait, can you guys not see my screen? Hold on, what's going on? Hello? Okay, chat, just so you know, I'm in short 310s. I don't know why I can't... My screen's not switching. Hold on. I'm trying to figure it out. My entry is 310, just so you guys know. Why is my screen not sharing? Chat, I'm having a technical difficulty on getting screen share here. Hold on. Entry at 310. Is this it? Hold on. Holy, no, that is not it. Hello. All right, let's try this. Let's just move it over. There you guys go. Now you can see it. There. Risking about 240. To make 5 million. Chat, we're risking $240 to make 5 million. What's the R to R to that on that, chat, huh? Risking 240 to make 5 mil. What's the R? What's R and R there? Somebody do the math. Who's good at math? $16,766 R. Holy moly! Wait, now I got 20,832 to 1. I don't know who's right, chat. Who's right? One taco and 3 sandwiches. Coming down to VWAP here. We'll get out at the VWAP test. If we get it. Well, I completely made mine up, so if they did any type of basic math, it's probably closer to theirs. All right, so Chicago, Sean King got Chicago coming in with 20,832 to 1. There you have it. Risking 240 to make 5 million, chat. Actually, chat, here's what we'll do. We'll move this down a little lower in case we get a flush through VWAP, and then we'll trail this. So I'll at least lock in $100 if this thing starts to shred back up. But we'll try to trail it here. If we get the VWAP test, I'll move down even lower, which we are. So this will lock in 200. That might be trailing too tight. I might be trailing too tight there, chat, but it's all right. We'll at least lock in 200 on this trade. Just because I know, like, once we test VWAP, like, we could get a bounce here. And if we do, and it takes me out, that's okay. We'll move this up a little bit. Just in case we do get that little VWAP bounce or VWAP flush straight through. We're up 290. We could get a little bounce up here and top me out. If we do, that's okay. I at least want to lock in something. Really, because I had already missed my entry. Like, my entry was missed. Like, my entry should have been way up here when I talked about it. So we took a more aggressive entry. So I'm more than happy with just locking in something. At least getting a piece of it. You know what I mean, chat? At least getting a piece of it. Can't say we took no drawdown on this trade. Absolutely none. The moment we entered, we were just green. You love that, chat. You absolutely love it. See if it gives me this flush. Honestly, chat, if it gives me the flush, I might just kill it, honestly. We do have the open coming up here in like just seconds. I should probably kill it anyways. So I'm not caught in this open volatility. We'll take it off. Up 260, chat. We have the open coming up, the Shanghai open coming up here. I'm going to take it off. It could flush straight down, but I want to make sure to lock in something. That way I don't really get caught in anything I don't want to be caught in. GG's. Locked it in. That's all that matters. We locked it in, chat. We're locked in. First trade green. Love it. W. Chat, W's. Give me some W's. That deserves a like button too. Chat, if you haven't hit the like button, what are you even doing? Huh? Huh? What are you even doing, bro? We're up to 50 likes. We got 76 people in here. We're up to 50 likes. I think we can get 10 more. I think we could get 10 more. This is great. I'm super bored at this time of night. I can do something. I'm here for your entertainment. I am here for your entertainment. All right. I'm going to move this window. So I'm out of this tray. I'm going to move this back over here. And glad I exited, chat. Glad I exited. Hector, subscribed and liked. Welcome to the fam, Hector. Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys are already subscribed. Follow in Hector's footsteps and smash that subscribe button. We're live daily at the New York Open every single day, and we are live in the evenings trading gold, as you can see currently. Here for your evening entertainment. Smoky Bear Trades, are you profitable yet from trading, not affiliates? Yes. This year, I am in the green from trading profits versus expenses. For payouts, this year, I'm sitting, I'd have to do the math, but I'm sitting close to like 50 to 60,000 in trading payouts. And then my expenses are only like, I think like 10. So we are profitable this year from payouts, from strictly trading. $143K for Smokey. GG's, that's some bank. I will say, like, the beginning of this year, I didn't know if I was going to be profitable this year, chat. To be honest, I hit like the biggest chat. I hit the biggest slump. The biggest. Pretty much January through March was like absolutely brutal. Like, I was getting payouts, but then my expenses were racking up. I had the largest slump I think I've ever been in trading so far. You're like, just in general, biggest slump. Then finally, we got out of March, and then we got into April, and that's when things started really ramping up. That's when we started ramping up. So we're going to be, as long as things continue going the way they're going, we should be, last year we made 6 figures trading, we're profit, right? So we should be back in the 6-figure range so long as everything continues to go well. And we keep those expenses down. Those days when you find yourself or it's testing if you will give up. Oh, 100%. Yeah, 100%. I've been through the trenches for sure. Been through the trenches. This year, honestly, yeah, the beginning of this year was probably one of my worst ones. But I think too is because, like, we got into such a different market, right? Such a different market than what we had last year. Clearly, new president, right? So we had such a different market than we had last year. And it was like anything that all my strategies, well, not all of them, but the strategies that I used, I had to tweak them a bunch to switch to the current market conditions, and just because what I did last year was not working this year at all. And so we had to make some changes. We made some changes, and now we're making change. You feel me on that? We should be getting a payout next week. We should be getting a payout this week. We are on the funded accounts. We're about 800 or so away from racking in a little $9,000 payout. So just gonna take it slow. make 800 this week, and we'll get another $9,000 payout. And that'll bring my payouts for this month to 18,000. No, yeah, 18,000 for May if we get that. Chat, the thing with prop firms, holy, look at this move. The thing with prop firms is base hits, bro. Base hits. I mean, if you're in like a personal account, you could like hold for longer trades, right? You know what I mean? But prop firms, the way to win, chat, this is the secret sauce. Everybody wants to know the secret sauce of prop firms. I'm gonna tell you what it is right now. The secret sauce to prop firms is taking small base hits and letting them pile. Letting them pile, then pile, then pile, then pile. Because they pile quickly, chat. They pile quickly. And you let those pile, chat, it's cheddar, right? It's cheddar in the bank. Most people go wrong. Let me tell you what happens. A lot of people will take trades in prop firm accounts and they don't take base hits and they hold for those longer trades, right? And then the trade comes back to their break even and they're like, well, shit, I should have taken profits. And then it goes red, right? Then the trade goes red and then you get out for a loss. And then you're like, I should have never lost this trade to begin with. And so you re-enter the trade. It goes against you. And now you're on tilt. And then you size up. Because you never should have been red in the first place. And then your account's won. Because prop firms have such thin, like, margin for you to use. Like, you have very little room for error. So you have to be okay with taking, that's people like, trust me guys, I've had people make fun of me and come at me for taking 10 points. Like, I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm cool with my 10 points on the Nasdaq. I'm cool with that. I trade one mini on a 150K account, take 10 points, it's $200. I do that 3 times, that's $600. Do that over the course of 3 weeks. Humid trading, dang, you just described me. I just described everybody. You're not singled out here. I literally just described everyone because everyone's done it. Literally everyone. No matter who tells you what, they've done it. You forgot the part where I hold losing trades and pray. I mean, yeah, some people do that too. Look at gold selling off, chat. Y'all got me on a rant right now. And look at what's happening. You hit it on the head. I know. I know because I've been there. Everyone's been there. I've done it. Chat, gold is getting freaking obliterated. This is why I like watching and trading gold better than trading the Nasdaq during the New York Open. This is why. Because you get volatility. It's just nice. It's nice to see movement. Whereas like the Nasdaq during the New York Open session is just, it's sleepwalking, chat. That's what it is. The Nasdaq just sleepwalks during the New York Open. Let's take a look. With that move on gold, let's take a look at Nas here. A little bit of a pop. This is why I like Project X. As soon as I'm done, I lock it up, knowing myself if I don't and turn on the charts, I want to trade and I start losing, then try to make up the loss and lose more. That's exactly how it goes. If Project X did anything right, it is the lockout feature. Because they have saved a ton of people with that feature. Lockup has saved you. I think you can do it with Archer too, but there is also Cold Turkey. Yeah. Yeah, that lockout feature has saved me multiple times. Multiple times. I use it today. I was up 1,000. I was up 1,100 in the no, I was up 1,300 in my Top Step accounts today, and I used it and locked out. Was done. Because I know that I would have wanted 900 more to, or 700 more to hit 2,000 on the day. A little even number. As soon as I was done, I hit lockup. Also set a daily profit and auto liquidate on lot. There you go. That's the way to do it, chat. Use that lockout feature. All right, getting a little buy up off that 300 level. Little 300 level buy up. We're up 260. Chat, did price just freeze? Am I tripping? Hold on. Are we frozen? There we go. All right. Theoretically, yeah, we could have held our short because of the open sitting us down. But chat, you never really know what like market opens, like the Shanghai market open. We don't know what was gonna happen, bro. We could have sent it straight up. We could have just moonshotted straight up. And then I would have went on tilt. Chat, I would have went tilted. Y'all would have seen me go on tilt, throwing on 20 contracts on gold to get back what I lost. Minis. Chat, I think my son is calling me right now. My wife just Snapchatted me and said that he is getting extra fussy and I might be getting paged. I'll drop 5 minis on a 50K when I'm on tilt. Yeah, 100%. I mean, when people go on tilt, they usually throw on about 5 to 10. Was up 20,000 on XFA, tilted hard. Holy moly. How many funded accounts do you think is enough? Well, if you're not profitable and can't trade well yet, one account's enough. If you are profitable, you have something that's working for you and you are making some money, then I would say go ahead and copy trade and get you a few accounts and copy trade, maybe do like 3 or something. But the smart way to do it is to trade an account, get a payout, use that payout to buy more accounts. That's a smart way to do it. That way you're not dipping into your whole bank account. Chat, I think I'm gonna call it. We're up 260 on the evening. Could have probably gotten more out of that, but you know what? That's okay. We're happy with what we got. We're gonna start the day tomorrow in the green. That's what matters. So I think we're gonna go and call it a day. I got to go be a dad. My son's definitely paging me right now. He's being a little fussy. So I'm gonna go be a dad for the evening before he goes to bed. And chat, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you go to the description, follow the Instagram, and make sure you have a good night. And you have a good night by hitting the like button on your way out. All right? Make sure you guys do that, fam. Hope you guys have a good evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at the New York Open. Until then,